continuity and differentiability. I'll give 5 questions, discuss, solve it, and be ready with the answer. Write the questions. First one is d by dx of sine of cos x square. Y is equal to log of tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Then dy by dx minus sec x equal to dash. Third one, x is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Y is equal to a into theta plus sine theta. Then dy by dx is equal to dash. Then dy by dx is equal to dash. Okay. Okay, children. First do this 3 questions. Okay, just 3 minutes. Make it fast. Find out the answers for this. Using the derivatives. In the last class, we discussed all the formula. Okay, now do this one. For the second one, I'll give the option. A is 1, negative 1, B is 1, C 0, D 2. Three questions. Okay. Do it fast with the minimum steps. Okay, then only you'll be able to do it for the exam also. Yes, children, please turn on your video. All of you, please turn on your video. Over? Is it over, Aryan? Hmm?
I'm doing the last one.
Second one.
Third one.
Third one. Okay. Make it fast. Naureen, completed? Naureen. Naureen, can you hear me? Aditya,
Yes, ma'am.
finished?
No, ma'am. There we go.
Yes. Is it over, Gauri? Emmanuel, finished? Emmanuel, completed.
No, ma'am.
Hmm.
Can show the third question.
Okay, time up. Okay, stop writing, children. Stop writing. Enough. Okay, it's enough. Okay, more than 5 minutes again. Okay, turn on your video. What is the first answer? How will you do the first one? What is the answer? Yes, Punya. How will you do the first one?
Chain rule.
Yes. Yes, Punya.
Ma'am,
Ah,
cos of cos x square
cos of cos x square
into minus sin x square
into minus sin x square
into 2x.
into 2x. So the answer is minus 2x into sin of x square into cos of cos x square. Ashwin, is it correct, Ashwin? Ashwin, what's your answer, Ashwin? Ashwin? Yes. Nandana? Yes, first one answer is correct, Punya. Okay. Next one, Nandana.
Ma'am,
dy.
I didn't complete that one.
Yes, you are not able to do that one. Second one. Okay. What about Gayatri?
0, ma'am.
0. How? How?
Find dy by dx and substitute it there. So
Ah,
dy by dx, you'll get sec x minus sec x.
Yes, it is correct. Okay, what is the method you did?
Length here.
Yes. Okay. Okay, correct, Gauri. Okay, listen here, children. Here, you just apply the derivative. Y is equal to, the question is given as y is log of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Okay, so what is dy by dx? Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So 1 by tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2 into derivative of tan x is 6 square x. So pi by 4 plus x by 2 into 0 plus 1 by 2. Three functions are there: log, tan, this one. Okay, so which will be same as, if you simplify this, 1 by 2 into sec will become cos square of pi by 4 plus x by 2 into tan. If on simplifying, you'll get sin x by 2 sin pi by 4 plus x by 2 by cos pi by 4 plus x by 2. Up to this, is it correct, children? Up to this, is it okay? Check your answers. Okay. Now what happened? One cos will get cancelled. So we get 1 by 2 cos pi by 4 plus x by 2 into sin pi by 4 plus x by 2. 2 sin A cos A. What is the answer? What is 2 sin A cos A? It will become sin 2A. 2 sin A cos A. It is sin 2A. So 2 into pi by 4 plus x by 2. So it will be same as 1 by sine of, if you open the bracket, 90 plus theta. What is sine of 90 plus theta? Cos theta. Sine of 90 plus theta is cos theta, which will be same as sec x. So dy by dx is sec x. Therefore, dy by dx minus sec x is equal to 0. Nandana, is it okay?
Yes,
Hmm?
ma'am.
Okay, note down this one, children. Note it. So the answer is 0. Now, third one, Michael. Third one, Michael, give the answer, Michael. Which third one? X is equal to A into 1 minus cos theta. Y is equal to A into theta plus sin theta. Michael.
I don't know how to solve that one.
Yes, Michael.
I didn't solve that one.
Which method you have to use here? X is given in terms of theta, Y in terms of theta. Then which method you have to apply there? Yes, Rijas. Third one, for solving third one, you have to differentiate it using which method?
Implicit.
Is it implicit? Is it implicit? Check your answer. Once again, open your textbook, find out. Is it implicit? Check your answer. Srihari, what is your answer? Which method you have to use there?
dy by d theta.
What is that method called? Solving
I
the
don't know.
Open your textbook and find out. Aryan. What is that method called?
Solving dy by dx
Yes.
by dt. No, I don't know the name of that method.
It is in the textbook, isn't it? How many methods are there? That day we discussed which are the methods. So for the exam, they'll ask. Okay, theory part also it should be thorough. Yes. Rijas, what is the answer, Rijas?
Parametric.
Parametric form. Srihari?
Parametric.
Parametric form. Okay, it is given in splitted form, that is x in separately, y separately, means we call that as parametric form. It is not implicit form. Okay, it is parametric form. X is given separately and y is given separately, means it is in parametric form. Okay, Aditya? Aditya,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me how you solve that one.
Ma'am, dx by d theta equal to
Yes, dx by d theta. Okay, what is dx by d theta?
minus a sin theta.
Minus a sine theta. And
Then dy by d theta.
dy by d theta is
A plus a cos theta.
a into 1 plus cos theta, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So therefore, Atul, what will be dy by dx? Atul,
I got cot theta by 2.
cot theta by 2. Can you give the steps?
dy by dx is equal to 1 plus cos theta by sin theta.
1 plus cos theta by sine theta. Okay. So it will be same as
2 cos square theta by 2 by 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2.
2 cos theta by 2 sine theta by 2. So 2 will get cancelled, 1 cos will get cancelled. So answer will be cot theta by 2. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Achyut.
how did we get negative a something?
It's not negative, it is positive only. It is a sine theta, because cos theta, when you differentiate, it will become minus a sine theta. Already one minus is there, so it will become plus. Is it cot theta by 2? Final answer? Okay. Okay, parametric form means x is a function. Okay, for one more question, for MCQ, the formula will be asked like this. Okay, x is equal to f of t. Y is equal to f of g of t. Then Srihari, what will be dy by dx? What will be dy by dx? X is f of t, y is g of t. Then what is dy by dx?
dy by d theta.
Dy by dt. Here in terms of t. By?
Dx by dt.
That is same as g dash of t by f dash of t. G dash of t by f dash of t. Okay, what about implicit form? Implicit form means, what about the function? It will be of the form f of x comma y is 0. A function of the form f of x comma y is equal to 0. We call it as implicit form. And explicit form means y is equal to, it will be given as y equal to. Then it is explicit form. Okay, the next method we have learned is logarithm. Logarithmic differentiation. In which case we use logarithmic differentiation, Sania? In which case we'll be using logarithmic differentiation?
X raised to
Hmm.
x raised to sin x, x raised to y. Those ones.
Okay, that means, okay, example is correct. Okay, example what you gave is correct. That means in which it, can you explain it?
F of x raised to f of x.
F of x raised to another function, g of x. Okay, f of x raised to g of x. Whenever the power comes as a function in x, whenever the power is a function in x, Okay, we use logarithmic differentiation instead of the power as numbers. Okay, we'll use logarithmic differentiation. Okay, write the question. Y is equal to a raised to x plus x raised to x plus x raised to a plus a raised to a. So note down, children, this is an important question. Find dy by dx. Y is equal to a raised to x plus x raised to x plus x raised to a plus a raised to a. What is the derivative? Nia, what is the derivative of x raised to n? Nia, derivative of x raised to n. Nia, what is the formula for derivative of x raised to n? Krishna Chandran, derivative of x raised to n.
It's raised to
Repeat it once again. What is derivative of x raised to n?
it's raised in
Is there anything in the front? Any coefficient?
n
N.
x
Nx raised to n minus 1 power. We have to take it to the front and reduce the power by 1. So it is n x raised to n minus 1. What about the derivative of x raised to x? Derivative of x raised to x. Muhammad Adim. Derivative of x raised to x. Muhammad Adim. Derivative of x raised to x. Muhammad Adim. Derivative of x raised to x. Yes, Michael. Derivative of x raised to x. What is the derivative of x raised to x? Michael. Yes, Michael. Sania, derivative of sin x.
Minus cos x.
Derivative of sin x, is it minus cos x?
Cos x.
Dia, derivative of tan x.
Sec square x.
Punya, derivative of a raised to x.
A raised to x into 1 plus log x.
Rijas, derivative of x raised to x.
X raised to x into 1 plus log x.
Michael, derivative of log x.
1 by x.
Shivani, derivative of x raised to n.
Let's first.
Derivative of tan x. Atul.
Sec square x.
Achyut, derivative of sine inverse of x. Yes, repeat it.
Ma'am, minus 1 by 1 plus x square.
The question is, what is the question I asked? Derivative of
Sin inverse.
sine inverse of x. Aditya, derivative of sine inverse of x?
1 by root 1 minus x square.
Very good. 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Shivani, derivative of tan x? Shivani,
6 square x.
6 square x. Michael, derivative of log x?
1 by x.
Gauri, derivative of x raised to x?
X raised to x into 1 plus log x.
Nandana, derivative of a raised to x?
A raised to x log a.
Naureen, derivative of sec x?
Sec x tan x.
Ashwin, derivative of cosec x? Derivative of cosec x? Srihari, what is derivative of cosec x?
Minus cosec x tan x.
Learn
Cosec
the
x
fo-
cot x.
Krishna Chandran, derivative of sec x?
Sec x tan x.
Michael, derivative of x raised to x? Again, looking into the formula. Till now, not learned that formula. What is the derivative of x raised to x?
Minus 1 by
Nandana, derivative of x raised to x?
X raised to x into 1 plus log x.
Gauri, derivative of tan inverse of x?
Um, 1 by 1 plus x.
Dia, sec inverse of x, derivative of sec inverse of x.
1 by x into root x square minus n.
Okay, correct. Achyut, derivative of cosec inverse of x. See children, if you are not learning the formula, how we are going to do the MCQ questions? How we are going to do the next chapter? See, in the next class, I'll be asking the formula, learn the formula and come. Is it clear? Learn it thorough and come. Krishna, okay. Now open your notebook. Open your notebook, all of you. Are you having your formula booklet with you? Show your formula booklet, not the textbook, formula booklet. Is it there? What about Michael? Where is the formula booklet?
it's in another room, man.
So during max class, keep it with you.
Okay.
So look at this function. It's an important 1 mark question. What is derivative of x raised to n? Gayatri? Derivative of
C into 1 plus log x.
n x raised to n minus 1. What is derivative of x raised to x? Aryan? Derivative of x raised to x. It is? Yes, Aryan. What is the derivative of x raised to x? Punya.
X raised to x into 1 plus log x.
X raised to x into 1 plus log x. Now, what will be the derivative of x raised to a? Here, how will you do this? Yes, Gauri.
A into x raised to a minus 1.
Very good. A into x raised to a minus 1. A is a constant. So we can write this as a into x raised to a minus 1. So what will be dy dx of a raised to a? Atul?
0.
0. Both are constants. So it will be 0. So apply it here. So dy by dx is equal to, okay, if you are thorough with the formula, we can do this easily. Derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a plus x raised to x into 1 plus log x plus a into x raised to a minus 1 plus 0. This is the answer. This is the derivative of this function. Next one. If y is equal to, sec inverse of 1 by 2x square minus 1, then dy by dx equal to dash. If y is equal to sec inverse of 1 by 2x square minus 1, then dy by dx is equal to dash. Option A, 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Option B is 2 by root of 1 minus x square. C, minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. And option D is minus 2 by root of 1 minus x square. How to do this? Yes. Yes, children, how will you differentiate this? Yes, those who know the answer, give it. Yes, Aditya.
Minus 1 by x into root x square minus 1.
Okay, that way also you can do, but that is a lengthy one, isn't it? Instead of that, we have learned another method. What is that method? Rijas? Find out, open your notebook, find out. The same question is there in the textbook. We have discussed all these questions. Yes, who is ready with the answer? What do you have to do? Nandana.
Substitution.
Substitution method. Okay, what do you have to substitute? Yes, correct. Nandana. What's the substitution you have to do?
C.
In the place of x, you have to put?
C.
Is it sec? No.
C.
That is also not possible. You look at the identity, trigonometric identities. Which identity you have to use? Okay, if you put sec and all, whether you'll get 2 sec square theta minus 1, 2 cosec square theta minus 1. Then what is the substitution? Yes, Shivani, what is the substitution? Gauri?
Cos square theta.
So put x is equal to cos theta. We put x is equal to cos theta. So the given problem will become sec inverse of 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now what is 2 cos square theta minus 1? Michael, what is 2 cos square theta minus 1?
Sine square theta, 2 sine square theta.
No. 2 cos square theta minus 1. Srihari?
2 cos, I don't know.
Hmm? Atul?
Cos 2 theta.
Yes, it is cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So which will be same as sec inverse of what is 1 by cos? It is sec 2 theta. Now sec inverse sec will get cancelled. The will get 2 theta. Which is 2 into what is theta? Cos inverse of x. This is y. Now differentiate it. So dy by dx is equal to 2 into derivative of cos inverse of x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So answer is minus 2 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay. Now try the next one. F of x is equal to x cos x. Find the second order derivative. Find the second order derivative. Try this one.
Ma'am,
Yes, Achut. So in the next class, learn the formula and come. Okay, otherwise, no use learning the same. Okay, learn the form. Be thorough with the formula. Look at this. You have to use product rule, isn't it? Product rule. Apply product rule and differentiate. X into derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus cos x into derivative of x is 1. So it is minus x sin x plus cos x. This is f dash of x. Now again to find f double dash of x, again use product rule. Minus x into sin x if you differentiate cos x plus sin x into derivative of minus x is minus 1 plus cos x is minus sin x. So it is minus x cos x minus sin x. So if you group it, you'll get the answer. Minus 2 sin x. Okay. So in the next class, learn the formula and learn all the derivatives. I want the formula booklet. Okay. Be ready with the formula booklet. Thank you, children. Copy it? Yes? Yes. Okay. Okay, children. With this, we wind up. Thank you.